Good morning everyone. My name is Aryan Sharma. I study in third standard. My thought is, if you have a dream, never let go of it. Chase it till the end. Thank you. Good morning all. My name is Kedar Thote. I study in third standard. Today's news for the day is monsoon in active phase. Heavy rainfall to continue across India. The India Meteorological Department IMD has issued a warning of heavy rainfall across most of the country, citing favorable conditions of the monsoon. Thank you. I am studying in fourth standard. Today is thought of the day. A positive thought for kids. Today is believe in yourself and your dreams because you are capable of amazing things. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Pranavi Ravindra Thomre. I am studying in 5th standard. Today's thought for the day is your best teacher is your last mistake. Thank you.